Hey, what's up there, Sioux Falls? Was your vehicle recently hit from the hail damage that came through town? Well, I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair, a local paintless dent repair company. Don't worry, you don't have to go to a body shop to have those dents and dings repaired in your vehicle. Come to us, a local paintless dent repair service provider. Stay tuned and check out the rest of this video. Was your vehicle recently hit with hail damage? Even if you've only spotted a couple extra dents on your vehicle, there may be much more damage to be seen. You can see once we put our specialized lighting system on the vehicles, much more damage appears. The roof of this Toyota had over 200 dents in it. Be sure to go ahead and give us a call at Sioux Falls Dent Repair for your free hail damage assessment. We work with all insurance companies. We will also handle all of the insurance paperwork and processing for you. All you have to do is drop off your vehicle and a few days later pick it up dent-free. This makes the claim process no hassle to you. We offer a lifetime warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Give us a call today at 605-595-4061. We look forward to hearing from you, and thanks for watching.